Nature is a master engineer. Every physical feature an organism has isn't an accident, it's a solution, sculpted by millions of years of environmental pressure. These solutions, called structural adaptations, are hard-coded into an animal's DNA. One of the biggest problems to solve is dinner. Look at Darwin's finches. On the Galapagos Islands, birds that ate tough seeds evolved thick, powerful beaks like tiny pliers. Those that ate insects developed thin, delicate beaks like tweezers. Form follows function. The same goes for teeth. Sharp, slicing canines for a carnivore and flat, grinding molars for an herbivore. Their very skulls tell you their diet. But survival isn't just about finding food, it's about not becoming food. This is where the art of invisibility comes in. Camouflage helps an animal blend in, like a polar bear vanishing against the snow. A zebra stripe sees something different. They create disruptive coloration, making it hard for a lion to single out one animal from the herd. Then there's the biological bluff, mimicry. Unlike camouflage, mimicry is about being seen, but being mistaken for something else. The harmless hoverfly evolves to look exactly like a stinging wasp, scaring off birds without having any weapon at all. That's a clever trick. Even better is when two dangerous species, like bees and wasps, evolve to look alike. Their shared yellow and black uniform reinforces one simple message to predators: stay away. Even an animal's body shape is dictated by the climate. According to Allen's rule, animals in hot climates, like the fennec fox, have giant ears that act like radiators to dump heat. In the Arctic, foxes have tiny, rounded ears to conserve every bit of warmth. From the beak of a finch to the ears of a fox, every piece is a tool. It's a physical answer to a life or death question posed by the world itself.